Hello and welcome. This is Felix speaking from easybits, and today I just wanted to give you a short update on a workflow that I recently used to improve a pipeline for one of our users who was struggling to extract data from data tables. So what kept on happening for him was that he was able to extract 95% of the data correctly, but the last 5% the data was bleeding in between rows. So I needed to come up with a solution for that, and in most of the cases, if some users reach out and we need to fix a pipeline, I'm always building testing workflows that allow me to run tests for improvements, but also to benchmark what I've built and to see if it actually works. So as you can see on my screen, I already pulled up the version 1 of my testing workflow that I built back then. So in this version 1, it was a really simple workflow that allowed me to upload the testing document. It would then run through the extractor, and actually the grounded truth that I check against and validate the data against would be built into the workflow. So after I shared the version 1 of this workflow with you, some of you guys actually reached out to me proactively and asked me if I could build a second version that would also allow the users to upload the reference through the same initial form. And that's what I wanted to show you today. So let's get into the second version of the testing workflow. It looks a little bit more complex, but in the end, it's just covering different scenarios. So in the beginning, you can see that I also started with a form submission, but that form now allows you to also upload a reference document and the document that you want to extract data from. So let's just perform one test run together. I will go through the process to make sure to show you how it works. And then I will also, of course, as always, link this workflow in the description of this video. So you will be able to take it for your testing as well and for the improvements and refinements on your pipelines. So let's step into it. Let's click on execute workflow. And here you can see the updated form already, which now allows me to upload a reference file. I will take the CSV that I used to then create also the PDF data table. So I will use that one as a reference file. And now it's the document that I want to extract data from. And you can see it's my PDF on multiple pages. I will upload that one. And here you can now also choose which extraction engine you have running in your pipeline. Just a short side note, we introduced a new extraction engine lately, which is the specialized extraction engine, and it's specifically good for data table extraction. So I highly recommend putting that into your pipeline. And then you can also indicate here that you are using the specialized extraction engine. Let's hit upload here. And then we can already take a look at our workflow, which is running now. And as you can see, the CSV is getting processed already. Now the extractor runs, and now we will be able to see if it passed. And yes, we achieved 100%, so the test was successful, everything was extracted correctly. If I would now see that there are some problems, I would go into the descriptions of each data field in the extractor pipeline, and then I would actually try to get more in the details and refine it a bit more. To show you the second path as well, let's click execute workflow again, and now I will take as a reference file exactly the same data table PDF that I had before. And now as a document upload, I will take the same one. No worries, we have a validation node that makes sure that the reference file gets extracted 100% correctly. So in that sense, the reference is then always correct. Let's also choose the extraction engine and let's hit upload. And now in between, as we have this PDF file that we use as a reference, it will also show us the extracted data once again and ask us if everything is extracted correctly. So we can say yes from there. As we can see now, check your reference data. So you can see all the data that got extracted. You can check it here. And now you can click just yes. Run the test, this data is correct as I can see, click continue, and now it will continue. Use this as a reference data to actually validate the extraction down the line. And let's wait a second until it updates, because then we should be able that we passed with 100%, and also down the line everything will be logged in a Google Sheet that is specifically for this purpose. So you can see we had 100% accuracy and we had 0 mismatch count, and also we can see how fast the extraction went through. So from there, I wish you happy testing with this workflow. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And then we see each other in the next video. Have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching. Bye.